Hello.
I'm Corinne.
And I'm Alyssa.
And we're here today in Ravelston Nature Reserve, which used to, in the olden days, be known as Ravelston Woods. It's literally just behind Mary Erskine's school. So it's well worth coming here for a walk. It's beautiful. You'll see some of the shots that Alyssa's been taking. And Mike, who's been helping, he's taken some shots as well. So that Alyssa got in too in the walking shots.
So, yeah, we've come here because we've got a song today.
Yes.
Called the Highland
Fairy Lullaby.
Fairy Lullaby. So we've come to what we think is a fairy glen.
Yeah. It's a very special fairy glen.
Yes.
And in this fairy glen, there is a wee...
You can see a nice cave behind us.
Fairy cave.
And it's very atmospheric today as well because it was snowing overnight. So we've got a lovely bit of frost in the background here. So this song is about a lady who goes to the wood with her baby to gather blueberries. And in the olden days, people were quite superstitious and believed that fairies would take their babies and leave like wicked babies in their place, so fairy babies, and these were called changelings. Let us know if you've ever heard this story before or any of these stories about changeling babies. Yeah. So this is what's happened in this song. The lady's baby has been taken by the fairies.
But it hasn't turned into a changeling because they've just kept her baby.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly.
And I have to say, it serves her right for leaving the baby in the first place.
So this is actually quite a sad song. It's a children's song, but we think that it's quite appropriate for adults as well because it's quite sad, isn't it? Yeah,
it's quite dark for kids actually.
So join in with us if you know this one.
I left my baby lying here, lying here, lying here. I left my baby lying here. Take go and gather blaeberries. Hoven, hoven, go-dee-a go, go-dee-a go, go-dee-a go. Hoven, hoven, go-dee-a go. I never found my baby, oh. I saw the swan upon the lake, upon the lake, upon the lake. I saw the swan upon the lake, but never saw my baby, oh. Hoven, hoven, go-dee-a go, go-dee-a go, go-dee-a go. Hoven, hoven, go-dee-a go. I never found my baby, oh. I heard the curlew crying far, crying far, crying far. I heard the curlew crying far, but never heard my baby, oh. Hoven, hoven, go-dee-a go, go-dee-a go, go-dee-a go. Hoven, hoven, go-dee-a go. I never found my baby, oh. I searched the moorland ton and then wandered through each silent glen. I saw the mist upon the ben, but never saw my baby, oh. Hoven, hoven, go-dee-a go, go-dee-a go, go-dee-a go. Hoven, hoven, go-dee-a go. I never found my baby, oh.
much for joining us, everyone.
Thank you.
Watching that.
This was a bit chilly the day. I don't know if you can see our breath.
Yeah. It's so very chilly.
It is cold. Now, have a wonderful week, and please like, share, and subscribe, and please share. We're trying to build up our audiences.
Also, let us know. We want to do some Christmas songs at some point soon.
Oh,
let
yes.
us know of your favourite Christmas song, or if you know of any Scots Christmas songs that you'd like
that
to
would
hear.
be lovely. Please let us know. Please leave a wee note. And
we'll see you all next time.
We'll see you next week. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.